Looking for the ultimate tool to analyze and troubleshoot electronic signals in 2026? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best digital oscilloscope multimeters of 2026, combining the power of a multimeter with the advanced signal analysis of an oscilloscope. Whether you need precision, portability, or professional-grade performance, we've selected the best options based on features, accuracy, and value. So stay tuned and discover the Oscilloscope Multimeter that will take your diagnostics to the next level. All product links available in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5. FNIRSI 2C53T3 in 1 Oscilloscope Multimeter. The FNIRSI 2C53T is a powerful 3-in-1 testing device that combines an oscilloscope, digital multimeter, and signal generator in one compact unit. Designed for electronics, automotive diagnostics, and professional testing, it delivers precise measurements with high performance and portability. Gear key features. 3-in-1 multifunction device. Combines oscilloscope, digital multimeter, and signal generator in one compact tool for versatile applications. 50 MHz bandwidth oscilloscope. Provides accurate waveform analysis with up to 50 MHz bandwidth for advanced signal testing. 250 ms/s sampling rate. High-speed sampling ensures precise signal capture and detailed waveform display. Dual-channel input. Supports dual-channel measurement for comparing and analyzing 2 signals simultaneously. 20,000 counts digital multimeter. High-resolution multimeter for accurate voltage, current, resistance, and other measurements. Built-in signal generator. Generates test signals for circuit testing, debugging, and calibration. Large display screen. Clear and easy-to-read screen for waveform visualization and measurement data. Automotive and electronics application. Ideal for car diagnostics, circuit testing, repair work, and engineering tasks. Available now on Amazon and AliExpress. At number 4. ZOYI ZT703S 3-in-1 Oscilloscope Multimeter. The ZYI ZT703S is a powerful 3-in-1 handheld testing device that combines an oscilloscope, digital multimeter, and signal generator in one compact tool. Designed for automotive diagnostics, electronics repair, and fieldwork, it delivers reliable performance with portability and smart functionality. Gear key features. 3-in-1 multifunction tool. Combines oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator in one device for versatile testing and analysis. 50 MHz bandwidth oscilloscope. Supports up to 50 MHz bandwidth for accurate waveform analysis and signal troubleshooting. High sampling rate, 280 ms/s. Ensures precise signal capture and detailed waveform display for better diagnostics. Dual-channel input. Allows simultaneous measurement and comparison of 2 signals for advanced analysis. 25,000 counts digital multimeter. High-resolution multimeter for accurate voltage, current, resistance, and component testing. Built-in signal generator. Generates multiple waveforms for circuit testing, calibration, and debugging. 3.5-inch IPS color display. Clear and bright screen for easy waveform viewing and data reading in any condition. At number 3. ZYI ZT703S 3-in-1 handheld oscilloscope, multimeter plus signal generator, 50 MHz, 280 ms/s, high voltage. Looking for a compact, professional, and all-in-one testing tool? The ZYI ZT703S handheld oscilloscope multimeter combines a 50 MHz dual-channel oscilloscope, a high-accuracy digital multimeter, and a built-in signal generator in one portable device. With a 280 ms/s sampling rate and PC waveform data storage, it's ideal for automotive diagnostics, electronics repair, education, and field testing. Key features. White heavy checkmark true 3-in-1 design, oscilloscope plus multimeter plus signal generator. White heavy checkmark 50 MHz bandwidth, accurate waveform capture for complex signals. White heavy checkmark 280 ms/s sampling rate, clear, precise signal analysis. White heavy checkmark dual-channel oscilloscope, compare 2 signals at the same time. White heavy checkmark PC connection and data storage, save and analyze waveforms on your computer. At number 2. FNIRSI DST210/DST2013-in-1 digital multimeter, oscilloscope plus signal source high voltage. Looking for a compact, affordable, and versatile electrician's tool? The FNIRSI DST210 and DST201 combine a high-accuracy digital multimeter, a portable oscilloscope, and a built-in signal source in one handheld device. With 19,999 counts, up to 10 MHz DST210/1 MHz DST201 bandwidth, and a lightweight design, it's ideal for electricians, electronics repair, students, and field technicians. Key features: white heavy checkmark True 3-in-1 tool, digital multimeter plus oscilloscope plus signal generator. White heavy checkmark high-resolution multimeter, 19,999 counts for accurate measurements. White heavy checkmark oscilloscope bandwidth. DST210, up to 10 MHz. DST201, up to 1 MHz. White heavy checkmark built-in signal source, perfect for circuit testing and troubleshooting. At number 1. ZOYI ZT703S 3-in-1 handheld oscilloscope multimeter, 50 MHz, dual channel, IPS display high voltage. Looking for a powerful all-in-one diagnostic tool for electronics and automotive testing? The ZYI ZT703S combines a dual-channel 50 MHz digital oscilloscope, a 25,000-count high-precision multimeter, and a built-in signal generator into one compact handheld device. Featuring a 3.5-inch IPS display and 280 MSA/S sampling rate, it delivers clear waveforms, accurate measurements, and professional-level performance anywhere you work. Key features: white heavy checkmark True 3-in-1 design, oscilloscope plus multimeter plus signal generator. White heavy checkmark 50 MHz bandwidth, dual channel analyze 2 signals simultaneously. White heavy checkmark 280 MSA/S sampling rate, high resolution waveform capture. White heavy checkmark